Randy Driggs, Driggs. Ralph DeLeon. Today is the standard first post-indictment arraignment. That's the time you enter plea of not guilty if federal assigned. This one has already been assigned to Judge Phillips, who is the only federal judge here in the eastern section of the Central District. Father, stepmother, and a sister or two, I think, there are other family members. Doing well enough, as you can expect. It's very hard. It's very hard on the family. They suffer more than anybody else. Well, he's an intelligent, nice young man. So he's doing okay under the circumstances.
I know he's out of the three defendants, he seems to be in the most high spirits. He's smiling. You know why he seems to be more relaxed than the others?
I'm sure that it's probably just a personality trait. He's been. I wouldn't read anything into it other than it's probably his nature. He's a pleasant young man. Well, you always plead not guilty to a magistrate. You can't plead guilty to a magistrate. It is a standard proceeding. It's going to take a long time. The amount of discovery that we will be given reports, there will probably be multiple terabytes. So you, of course, have to look at that as a lawyer before you decide whether or not, what type of case the government has. I wouldn't comment on that at this point.
Are you going to try to get this case thrown out with what you said on the LA Times a few weeks ago? You think this,
thrown out is not really. I will make the appropriate legal motion. We'll look at the evidence. I'm not sure what it is yet. I had the same thing that all of you have, which is the affidavit in support of the well, it happens on all my federal cases. So it is a standard procedure. The most important for me, what I'd like to find out is if the fourth person is going to be brought over, because that just adds one more person to a length of the trial, or is that not a possibility? And secondly is the size and the type of evidence. Obviously there are recordings. I don't know how many there are. And of course, in the normal course, there will be requests, and hopefully they'll be provided of all of the work that this confidential source has done. And they've indicated that's 4.5 years of work. So that could all be relevant. No, I have not. Not more than so many of the other federal cases that we have. Fraud cases can be extremely complicated. So it'll be an interesting case. Just, I would ask everybody to respect their privacy a little bit. They're just good people that are in this situation.